Hello guys, I'm back with one more video. On this video I'll show you how you can replace your iPhone display screen. You can order this online. Make sure you order for your particular iPhone model that you have. For mine is 12 Pro Max, as you can see right here. This is the iPhone that I have. As you can see, my iPhone screen is broken on top middle. Right there, you can barely see it, but it's broken. And you can see the crack around the iPhone as well. So this video is about unboxing the iPhone 12 Pro Max display screen. Instead of spending hundreds of dollars to get it repaired at the shop, I tried to do it myself, and I would like to share how I did. First, I would like to show you what contains in this LCD display screen package. In the next video, I'll show you how you can replace the real LCD for your iPhone. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with another video soon. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching.